Hello, welcome to Programming Academy. Today, guys, I want to show you how you are going to create it like this ebook. So you are going to do it like the same what I did. I'm really telling you, this is the amazing platform. EBooks is one amazing platform. You are going to create it your own your own ebook or your own business ebook. So what it doesn't matter, you can go to make an amazing ebook. So I want to show you this ebook, and then you are also going to create it the same for how I made like this. Okay, so I really want to share with you this good ideas, and you are going to make it the same way I made. And then you are going to sell in as digital marketing. There is a many platform in my channel, so you are going to find then go to check it, and then so it's a free websites, and then you are going to sell a digital product to sell free. Then you are making a lot of money. So many people are making millions of dollars every year. So they're creating just like this amazing product, and then they're selling it. So when you are just wake up, you will see there's many people they coming in your websites, and that's so they buy from like a this ebook. So you are going to make like the same idea. So I want to show you this is the Google Docs, guys. You know how to, it is very simple to create it. You see, you can everything you insert, whatever you want, you put chart and tables and image. So everything you want here, it's here already. Just you click it, and then also you promote here, and then also tools. If you any kind of tools, if you want to use an extension, so you don't need etc. You can only for this three, you can create a big one of this. Only in the final, you can just save wherever you want to save here. Come to PDF, and then to download your book here in the PDF, and then that's it. You are going to share it wherever you want. So this is the amazing things. And then if you want to print or language, so everything here, and so edit is not about you. So this is everything, but only you need the file here, and then insert, and then for mod, and then tools. Okay. So look, guys, and how it looks my 28 page, and this I created it less than hour. Okay. So let's go to check this book, and then if the good idea, so you are also going to uh, start to create the same idea. Okay, so and here's something I forget, guys, also here. So everything, these tools, it will like maximize your book. If you wanted to increase, or you want to decrease, or you want to change the font size, or so on, everything is here. If you wanted to insert any image, you can insert from here. And then if you want to put any kind of link, you can link from here. So yeah, if you want to put the middle or left side or right side, or using numbers, or so everything is here. You control from this side here. Now let's go down to check this book. Look amazing, and this is for only those who want to to start up, or who want to want to become entrepreneur. So this book is for them, because this book completely guide you until you will reach your goals. Let's go to check how it's look. Isn't that all on the instructions? Okay, so I made everything by instructions, and then also I make each section conclusions. Okay, you will see. This is the really, really, guys, really, really book. It's not about just uh something fake. This is the really things you are going to want to do. Because look, this about all for the young people, okay, business plan, and keeping it at the young entrepreneur from the marketing and the network, and the scaling on the financial management. There are many. So everything is here. Amazing. I hope you are going to If you really want, go to my channel, and then I want to put link there. So if you really want to buy this, it's a very cheap price, but this one will help you or to change your life if you really want. So yeah, I want to share it because there's so many people they want to start up to become a entrepreneur. They don't know. Yeah, suppose starting business and what is because you have a lot of researching to find. But this ideas I want to just share with you like this straight away, then you are going to succeed. Okay? Go to check down. Yeah, everything I put it, guys, conclusion. For each topic, conclusion. Yeah, so you are going to see everything is conclusion. We are on the 8th page. Okay. Yes, it looks amazing, and I hope you guys going to get this book, and then or I hope you are going to create like this from the book. Okay, and yes, and then going to start become an entrepreneur or as a business owner. Okay, so yeah, if everything is so good, and then yes, if you have any question, just write me on my channel down, and then I want to share. I want to answer all your questions. And bye for now, and then see you in my next tutorial.